The charm of this farm, located here at Barangay Malupak, Nagban, Quezon, owned by Mr. and Ms. Caballes. This farm is known as Bukid Amara. It is filled with vegetable crops and more on the beautiful and vibrant colorful flowers that offers a stunning displays for a nature's vibrant views that draws the tourists from far and wide, offering not just a feast for the senses but the moment of connections with nature's delicate beauty. This vibrant field of blooms inviting visitors to escape the noise and chaos of everyday life. But beyond their visual charm, this farm is a crucial ecosystem, but this delicate harmony is at risk. The climate change is one of the challenges faced by the owner of Bukid Amara. With its rising temperatures, erratic weather patterns, and exhaust natural resources, is reshaping with its terraced landscapes. For the farms that depends on their natural beauty to captivate tourists, these changing conditions not only endanger the delicate balance of ecosystem, but also diminish the experiences of tourists that draw to this charming setting. So we have here Mr. Henry Nanali, a licensed agriculturist and a farm agriculturist here at Bukid Amara.
Yung effect ng climate change na naranasan natin ngayon as of now, yung minsan maraming nagkakasakit ng mga halaman. So dahil kami nasa tourism industry, ang kinikita namin yung magandang klase ng bulaklak. So ito yung minsan nakaka-apekto kasi maraming nagkakasakit ng mga halaman. Pangalawa, syempre kapag laging umuulan, wala kaming bisita, 'di ba? Yung pamamaraan, yung mitigation na ginagawa namin, ginagawa ng Bukid Amara. So we put up like this yung greenhouses. Kasi sa greenhouse, meron yung tinatawag nating smart farming. So you can produce the whatever crop you want. So dito sa Bukid Amara, we are planning na magkaroon kami ng vermiculture. Magkukulture kami ng ANC, African Nightcrawler, yung isang klase ng earthworm na kakain sa mga biodegradable materials. So yun yung yung mga isang mitigation para mabawasan yung ating climate change.
Act now for a sustainable future. Support ecotourism and climate-smart farming practices.